Hello, I'm Helen Bradley. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at creating our own custom accented characters in Microsoft Word. A blog reader recently contacted me asking me how they would create this character because this character does not appear in the insert symbol set. So if we were to go to insert and symbol and have a look through a font, then you're not going to find this character in this font anywhere. There is not this accented Y. And so the problem then becomes, how do you actually create a lowercase accented Y? You can create the uppercase one that's in some of these symbol sets, but the lowercase is not there. And so this is how I found out that you can do it. And it's pretty exciting because it does mean that you can create your own accented characters. So we're going to start obviously with our lowercase y. So I've just typed in the lowercase y and I haven't moved forward at all, so we're butted right up against the letter Y. We'll go to insert and we'll go to symbol and choose more symbols. And what you need to do is, in the font that you're working in, you need to locate the brev character. For this little sort of accented character, we need to find it in the font, and it's a brev, and it's 0306. So we're just going to locate it here. You see it's character code 0306. And what happens when I click the insert button here is that it's popped on top of whatever character is visible. So if we come in here and type the letter E and do the same thing, go back to more symbols, it's already selected because we already used it. Just click insert and it appears over the top of that character. Now this works with any of these accented characters. So let's again type the letter A here. Let's go to more symbols and let's find another symbol to use. So for example, this bar, just click insert and the bar is added on top of the character. And if you want to double up, you could put a accent on top of that and you can just stack them on top of each other. Now you're probably only going to want to do this for characters that you actually do want, that are valid characters, but this is a way that you can create characters yourself that actually don't exist in a font. So I hope that that helps you if you need to create your own accented characters and you can't find the characters that you want in the font that you're using. This should be able to do it for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, comment and share. And until next time, I'm Helen Bradley. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel.